It's Isabella here. I am one of the Music Radio Creative co-founders, and today I wanted to share with you an exciting update about the Music Radio Creative community. So some of you may remember taking part in our previous legacy community, and it looked a little bit like this. So if I open it in a new window, you'll see, lots of different subject lines, a little bit clunky and old school. Let's face that, it's very much old school. And now we've moved to a brand new space, and this was because the old school community we had posed quite a lot of limitations in what we wanted to bring to you. In terms of usability as well as new features. And we felt that it's time to really move on and update and bring something exciting. So a new hub.mrc.fm has launched. And not only that, you will find that it has a lot easier categories to find. So if you wanted to find something about audio and video editing and you wanted specifically Premiere Pro advice, you will find a lot of articles there already, but also you can post as soon as you join. So all you need to do is just click that join button there. It's super easy to create an account and you are in. You can post and ask questions. All of us here at Music Radio Creative do look at all the new posts, so you will get professional advice from us as well as other community members. So we encourage you to have a go and ask your questions away there. You will also notice that we have gone through all the previous posts and looked for those that provided the most value. Like this one, for example, about combining audio tracks. So it was a little bit challenging to copy and paste exactly as this was. And also, we found that a lot of information there was either not relevant or lacked context or actually value, as a lot of those posts were from a few years back. So what we wanted to do is move those posts and update all the information at the same time. So not only the context is accurate, but also all the information is up to date as things change, as you know. So for example, this specific post here is going to look a little bit like that. You will see the same screenshot that has been shared is there too. We've just put it in a little bit of a easier to follow way. So if there is a problem with audio that you have and you wanted to maybe look for an answer, click search here, and if it's Audacity or whatever else you look for, you can just type away in there. But not just that, there are a few other things that I'm really excited to share. There is a space where we share all the industry events. Not only us, you can share events around you as well. So feel free to add to them. Obviously, RSVP parts in here you can put in to show to other community members that you attend, but you need to make sure to purchase tickets directly with the organizers, as we don't sell tickets through there. You can also share your artwork if you have a podcast and wanted to get and just maybe thumbs up or down from people. Community can vote those up, so you can share and see whether the context is good. We also moved our UK podcasting directory to a new place. So previously, as we've organized events, actually the very first event for UK podcasters here in the UK back in 2014, we did at the time create a legacy UK podcaster directory, and we have now moved it into a new hub. So if you are a UK podcaster, you can post your podcast there. It's super easy. And then a really exciting new addition to our community is the Opportunities tab. This is where you can post a job if you are looking for somebody to help you with a project. Or if you are looking for a job, you can post everything there is about yourself, and maybe somebody will find you and reach out and connect with you. And who knows, maybe you will find a job. You can also find or be a guest on a podcast. So if that's something that you are looking to do, then again, I suggest you start posting. You can post. At the moment, there are no posts in there in those specific categories, as we've literally just launched it. But as soon as you join, that option will become available to you. Not only that, we are also moving all of our courses over to this one hub, hence hub in the name. At the moment, you will find our Audacity course for beginners, as well as DaVinci Resolve Audio Basics, all in there. More is coming. Our full-blown audio production course, as well as podcast editing course, is coming in here, and much more. So keep an eye on those. They're coming in. These are paid additions to the community. In order to access them, you will need need to choose the payment plan that you wanted to follow. Everything else is free. So to join and post, to search, it's all free and it's all available to you. And we have a lot more coming. So if you haven't done so already, hop onto the chat room after you've joined in and say hello. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.